Small talk is a light, casual conversation about everyday topics. But small talk is not a small thing. It helps you to connect with other people. This video is packed with tips and tricks to boost your confidence. When someone asks how's your day going, it's usually just a polite way of saying hello or starting a conversation.
Yeah, how's your day going?
Oh, great, I've met tons of new people.
It can also express genuine interest in the other person's day.
How's your day going?
My day started out slow, but now it's picking up.
What's new is a common and friendly way to start small talk.
Jess, what's new?
Not much.
Jess, what's new?
Not much.
You can use it in various social situations to initiate casual conversations and express interest in someone's recent experiences or updates. It's been a while. What's new with you? Anything exciting happening?
Actually, I just got promoted at work.
Weather is the absolute number one small talk topic. It's a great way to start a conversation. Isn't it a gorgeous day?
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
You can talk about current or future weather. Have you checked the forecast? It looks like it's going to rain soon.
Oh, really? I didn't know. I hope it's not too heavy.
Ask about the other person's plans, given the weather.
Good morning. Isn't this weather beautiful? It's perfect for a walk.
I was just thinking the same thing. Maybe we could head to the park together later? When we're talking small talk, a lot of the conversation is about catching up with people. Catch up in small talk means reconnecting and updating each other on recent events. First, start with a warm greeting like, "Hi, it's been a while." Or, "How have you been?" Simple but effective ways to break the ice.
How have you been?
Yeah, good. Busy.
Dive deeper with questions about their life. How's life treating you these days? Or, what have you been up to recently? Open the door for more meaningful conversations. The phrase, "How's life treating you these days?" is a casual way of asking someone about their well-being and how things are going for them. How's life treating you these days?
It's been challenging lately, but I'm hanging in there. Work has been hectic.
Food is something that we all have in common. So, food is a great small talk topic. You might ask someone, "Have you been to the new restaurant? How is the food?"
What's your comfort food? What's your comfort food?
"Have you tried that new Italian place downtown?"
Oh, I've heard about it, but haven't been yet. How was it?
Incredible! The pasta was delicious. You should definitely check it out. The most common question about work is, "What do you do?" How did you become a teacher? What was your first job? Did you like it?
How's the new job going? How's the new job going?
How's the new job treating you?
It's been challenging, but rewarding.
Travel is something that we love talking about and sharing. We can talk about past experiences or travel plans. Do you have any upcoming travel plans?
I'm thinking of going to Europe next summer. How about you? Hi, are you also waiting for a flight?
I'm heading to a business meeting. How about you?
I am just going to visit friends. Business trips can be hectic, right?
Small talk about interests. Have you been watching any interesting TV shows recently?
Yes, I started this new series. It's addictive.
Small talk about the weekend.
How was your weekend?
It was fantastic. I caught up with friends, enjoyed some good food. Do you have any plans this weekend?
Yes, I'm planning to visit a local art exhibition on Saturday.
Small talk about current events. Have you seen the news about the accident?
I did. It's definitely concerning. What are your thoughts on it?
I want to give you 3 tips for excellent small talk. Never talk about something too personal. When you begin a conversation, you know almost nothing about the person. The forbidden topics are the person's health, religion, and political views. Tip number 2. One of the keys to successful small talk is finding common ground that both you and the other person can connect on. Look for shared interests, experiences, or hobbies. Tip number 3. Instead of sticking to yes or no questions, try asking open-ended questions that encourage the other person to share more about themselves. Open-ended questions often start with words like how, what, or why. For example, instead of asking, "Did you have a good weekend?" you could ask, "What did you do over the weekend?" This keeps the conversation flowing and allows the other person to share more about their experiences, thoughts, and feelings. Remember, the goal of small talk is to build rapport and create a comfortable atmosphere. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson.